Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Tropical oasis, a backyard paradise with modern kitchen, pool, and lush gardens. Imagine stepping into a backyard that transports you to a tropical paradise. Lush greenery surrounds a sleek, modern wooden kitchen, creating an open-air sanctuary for cooking, dining, and soaking up the sun. This isn't your average backyard, it's a carefully curated oasis that seamlessly blends modern design with the vibrant beauty of the tropics. Modern kitchen with a touch of nature. The centerpiece of this space is a modern wooden kitchen designed for effortless outdoor entertaining. Imagine warm-toned wood cabinets with sleek stainless steel appliances that shimmer in the sunlight. Spacious countertops provide ample prep space, perfect for whipping up tropical-inspired meals. The open design allows for seamless interaction between chef and guests, fostering a sense of togetherness, a feast for the eyes. Stepping outside the kitchen, you enter a world of vibrant colors and textures. A sparkling swimming pool reflects the azure sky, its clean lines complementing the modern aesthetic. Lush tropical plants like palm trees, banana plants, and colorful flowering shrubs border the pool area, creating a sense of privacy and a refreshing escape from the heat. Strategically placed potted plants with cascading vines add vertical interest and a touch of whimsy to the space. Dining under the sun, or stars, adjacent to the kitchen. A spacious deck crafted from the same warm-toned wood offers a designated dining area. Imagine a modern dining table with comfortable, weatherproof chairs, ideal for enjoying meals under the shade of a large umbrella or the twinkling stars at night. String lights suspended overhead cast a warm glow, creating a magical ambience for evening gatherings. Relaxation by the pool. Sun loungers crafted from weatherproof wood and accented with plush cushions are strategically placed around the pool, inviting you to relax and soak up the sun. A nearby hammock strung between palm trees provides another idyllic spot for napping or reading a book. A symphony of water. The gentle sound of cascading water adds a touch of serenity to the backyard symphony. Imagine a small waterfall tucked away in a corner of the garden, or a bubbling water feature integrated into the pool design. The soothing sounds of water mask any outside noise, creating a truly tranquil atmosphere. Year-round escape. This backyard oasis offers a haven year-round. Lush tropical plants provide shade from the summer sun, while the warmth of the wood and the inviting kitchen make it a cozy space to gather in the cooler months. Imagine enjoying a steaming cup of coffee on a crisp winter morning while surrounded by the vibrant greenery. Overall, this modern backyard design with a wooden open kitchen, swimming pool, and tropical garden creates a unique and inviting space. It seamlessly blends functionality and aesthetics, making it ideal for relaxing with family or throwing unforgettable gatherings with friends. Every element contributes to a tropical paradise, allowing you to escape the ordinary and experience a touch of luxury in your own backyard. A modern wooden backyard with a swimming pool, tropical garden, and an open kitchen offers a winning combination of functionality, aesthetics, and a connection to nature. Here's why this design is a perfect recipe for a backyard oasis. Enhanced entertaining, seamless flow. An open kitchen design fosters a more social and interactive atmosphere. You can chat with guests and prepare food simultaneously, eliminating the feeling of being isolated in a traditional kitchen. Effortless serving. The open layout allows for easy serving of food and drinks from the kitchen to the poolside dining area or lounging spots. Inviting atmosphere. The open design creates a more spacious and inviting atmosphere, perfect for large gatherings or intimate dinners. Tropical fusion. Indoor-outdoor connection. The open kitchen blurs the lines between the indoor and outdoor space, allowing you to feel connected to the beauty of the tropical garden and pool while preparing meals. Natural light and ventilation. The open design lets in an abundance of natural light, creating a bright and airy feel. It also promotes natural ventilation, keeping the kitchen cool and comfortable, especially in hot climates. Tropical breeze enhancement. The open layout allows for refreshing trade winds to flow through the kitchen, further enhancing the tropical feel of the space. Modern appeal and functionality. Modern aesthetic. The combination of open layout, sleek wooden finishes, and stainless steel appliances creates a modern and stylish look that complements the clean lines of the pool and the vibrant tropical garden. Functionality and convenience. The open design allows you to supervise children playing in the pool or keep an eye on guests while preparing food. Multi-purpose space. The open kitchen can seamlessly extend to the outdoor dining area, creating a larger space for entertaining. Additional benefits. Increased property value. A well-designed open kitchen with a pool and tropical landscaping can add significant value to your property. Year-round enjoyment. Enjoy the open kitchen and beautiful garden throughout the year, regardless of the season. Overall, an open kitchen in your modern wooden backyard with a swimming pool and tropical garden creates a unique space that fosters connection, functionality, and a luxurious escape in your own home. Here's a roadmap to transform your backyard into a modern oasis with an open kitchen, swimming pool, and tropical garden. 1. Assess your space and budget, measure and map. Sketch a detailed plan of your backyard, including the existing structures, property lines, and potential obstacles. Mark areas for the pool, kitchen, and garden. Sun exposure. Map areas with full sun, partial sun, and shade throughout the day. This will guide decisions about the placement of the pool, open kitchen, and garden for optimal sun exposure for plants and shade for comfortable cooking and lounging. Budget breakdown. Consider the overall budget and prioritize your spending. Allocate funds for the pool. Kitchen construction, materials, plants, and landscaping. 2. Planning and permits, local regulations. Research local regulations for pool construction, open kitchens, and any restrictions on building structures near property lines. Pool design and installation. Consult with licensed pool builders to design and install the pool based on your desired size, shape, and features. Obtain necessary permits for pool construction, open kitchen design. Decide on the layout and functionality of your open kitchen. Consider factors like counter space, storage, appliance placement, and a connection point for utilities, water, electricity. 3. Construction and implementation. Phase 1. Pool construction. Hire a licensed contractor. Engage a licensed contractor with experience in pool construction to ensure proper construction and safety standards are met. Phase 2. Building the open kitchen, foundation and permits. Based on your design, determine the need for a foundation and obtain any necessary permits for kitchen construction. Construction materials. Choose weather-resistant wood suitable for outdoor kitchens, like teak or composite materials. Opt for stainless steel appliances for durability. Hire a contractor. Optional, consider hiring a licensed contractor for complex kitchen construction or opt for prefabricated outdoor kitchen units for a faster and potentially more budget-friendly option. Phase 3. Creating the tropical paradise, tropical landscaping. Research suitable tropical plants for your climate zone. Consider factors like sun exposure, water needs, and mature plant size. Planting and design. Plant a mix of palm trees, flowering shrubs, and vines to create a layered and visually appealing tropical garden. Consider using potted plants for added flexibility and color accents. Hardscaping, optional, incorporate pathways, retaining walls, or a fire pit using materials that complement the wood and pool, e.g., stone, pavers. 4. Finishing touches, outdoor furniture. Select comfortable and weatherproof furniture for the dining area and lounging spots around the pool. Outdoor lighting. Install strategically placed lighting fixtures for ambience and safety during evening gatherings. Consider string lights, recessed lighting in the kitchen area, and solar path lights in the garden. Accessories. Add decorative touches that enhance the tropical theme. Think colorful throw pillows for furniture, tiki torches, or water features. 5. Enjoy and maintain, regular kitchen cleaning. Maintain a clean and sanitary kitchen by wiping down surfaces after use, storing appliances properly, and following cleaning instructions for grills and refrigerators. Pool maintenance. Perform regular pool maintenance tasks like balancing water chemicals, skimming debris, and cleaning the filter. Tropical garden care. Water your plants regularly, especially during the establishment period. Prune plants as needed to maintain their desired shape and size. Additional tips. Start small. If budget is a concern, consider building the pool in one phase and adding the open kitchen and landscaping later. Seek professional help. consult with a landscape designer for advice on plant selection. Overall layout and compatibility with the pool and open kitchen. Sustainable options. Choose eco-friendly materials for the open kitchen construction and consider incorporating water-saving features in the pool design. By following these steps and personalizing them to your specific space and preferences, you can transform your backyard into a modern tropical oasis. Imagine whipping up meals in your stylish open kitchen, enjoying them with loved ones by the pool, surrounded by the lush greenery and vibrant colors of your tropical garden. This backyard will be a place to create lasting memories, relax, and connect with nature in a luxurious setting. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.